Hello, Internet. Um, we're gonna continue with the Venom rig, which is not really that sophisticated of a rig. It's just basically um, set up here to control whatnot on them. We're gonna do the IK for the legs, or for the arms and the legs. But basically, we're gonna just start with the arm and then make a digital asset that we can just go pink, 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 and pipe everything in for it. Um, So got the spine done, I want to say on Saturday or Friday, and that was just copying. Can't remember his name. We're gonna look here. Diviner. This was from his rig, and just looking at what he was doing. There's some other stuff here. I was looking at uh, uh, Te- uh, Teikuka Okada. He's got a video that was for Hive. He goes through an IK setup that he does, and it seems rather simple. So might go with something like that. Uh, oh, it open Diviner's rig here. We can see that his leg is a little bit more advanced. That's because he has a reverse leg going on because it's a dog leg, so it has that deal going on. Uh, so but we're going to sort of look at what he's doing here. Because he's doing some pretty advanced stuff, which is go back here. Um, just going to remove all the animations on everything as we can. And then we're going to see if doing that breaks it. Does not. Because as soon as you select it, it does the rig pose deal. So let's turn these point numbers off because we don't need to see that. These are the spine controls that he made. There's initial, no. Is he not doing the blend thing that he was doing before? Oops. Sort of helps if we have the leg selected. Okay. Yeah, these are just up vectors. Okay. So that seems simple enough. So let's go here. Let's create subnet. type into and so then want an IK chain, want a delete joint. So this is coming in as our required skeleton, that's our output. We're coming in here, we're going to do this a couple times. We're gonna go like there. And then we need a rig compute. Try this. Okay, we're gonna try doing this as well, so that deal. But probably want to joint delete too. So and then we unselect. So we're left with this deal here. Yes, so we're gonna put that in here. These. Then do we need an add node? Yes. So what we're doing with the add node is we're deleting all the geometry but the points because we want to turn these into controls. So have that, and then we need a name node. And actually, let's go back up to our spine controls, and we're gonna select these. We're actually gonna copy this whole thing here. So Alt C because Control C does something else. Come back in here, Alt V to paste. And yeah. So I'm gonna do that was cool. So here we want to do, why is it unable to find the geometry? Well, we have this one working, so let's just delete this. There. So I didn't make groups for that. Wait, why is my geometry not working? Oh, it's because I broke this thing? Yes. Okay, so let's not worry about that at the moment. Actually, let's just... Yeah, no, we need... yeah, we can just go think. So that all works. Okay. So this, let's just bypass that for the moment, and the same with you because you're doing all that. So now do we need an add node after our name? Let's just do that. Then we're going to use um, so in the skeleton. Okay, so I set these up. Why can't I see you? Okay, so we have that, and then we're taking the leg group and dropping that. But since we've deleted that, we should just be left with heels. So go back to here. So right, and then we have the same thing for the arm. Left, left. Right, right. And so if we select this guy, we see nothing. Why aren't you attaching things? Oh, because I don't have my, what's it called, library. So let's go to our spine controls. Well, that's unfortunate. And I was just about to save. Maybe it will let me reopen this. Weasel, what are you doing here? You want to say hi? No. Okay, so back to set our project. Crash recovery, open crash file. No backups. Why does it? This is what we just did. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. So we're going to call this IK controls and Control Shift S to do save as, and we're going to do this as Okay, so let's go back into our IK controls here. Oh yes, that's what it was doing. Going back here, our spine controls. We're actually going to select this guy and see. Come on, Wacom. Stop being. We'll see. We're going to delete that. I'm going to go back up and I'm going to paste that library right here. And we're going to pipe that into our second input on that. That makes sense at the moment. I'm pretty sure I can do an object deal. So let's call this skeleton control object. Okay. And we should go in here and we should make you yellow. Yes. So now I thought that would make your output yellow. Didn't I just do that? Okay, yes, it did. Good, good, good. And then our skeleton is this dark gray, which we probably can't see here. Dark gray. Dark gray. And then our controls, we're gonna make different color. We're gonna say not blue. Oops, no. Pink, yeah. Okay, so the reason I'm doing that is it helps with knowing like what all it is, you know? All the it just from a visual standpoint. No. So we're going to save this. We're gonna create a digital asset and yes, create version digital asset because I want to be able to version it. IK controls digital asset, all that. That's good. We're saving it in the hip directory, so it's saved with the Venom. I might break that out and move that somewhere else, but right now it's specific to this particular. Uh, there is a notion later to have it so that it can be reused, which you want, but I think it's very dependent on the project that you're working on initially that you within that project. And since this is just a project for itself, it's going to stay with itself. And then maybe if I solidify these into something, it'll be better. Okay, so we've saved that. Actually, it's IK controls. Let's go to type properties under node. Going to copy this rig type deal, paste that right there. Did it just die? No? Okay, so this lost my input colors, awesome. And then this is okay. So do we go to type prop output? Yes. Put reference the inputs that it has. Okay, so it already has that. Okay. Say output. That probably. Oh, no. Did it good. Oh, is that perp control? Yeah, that makes. No, I'm gonna stick with this. So we just have one here. That's doing nothing at the moment other than. This isn't saved and embedded. Why are you? Okay, because when it okay, so when it saves, then it'll be outside of that. Where is my VOP then? Okay, whatever. Don't know what's going on with those. So that would be the foot setup, which seems fine for kill. Okay, so back to the IK controls. So now if we look at our deal here, um, do not have those groups anymore. Okay, so geometry spreadsheet, or actually 9? No, here, maybe it's 9 in here. Uh, go. Yes. So we go back to here. Still have those groups. And then if we go to our attached geometry, and we do still have that. Yeah. Okay. So what am I doing wrong here? Let's go get this guy. Compute rig pose. Between the two. And bank there. Match by name. Don't need scale. And then match by attribute. Group nothing. So parameters I need to do. B. Oh, because we have no IK chains. So so not for IK chains. Start with no. Oh yeah, no. Guy. Which is wrong. Oh no, because I'm removing that here. Again. Again. Okay. Have that do yep. And then the seam should set on stretch because Venom is not a very like rigid character, I would say, or has squish to him. Right? So now let's get our legs. We're gonna dip on that